We do have another chance of showers that's going to be heading our way as we head through the day tomorrow. Here's a live look outside right now from Treasure Island towards the Bay Bridge. Pretty sunset in progress across the Bay Area. Thickening clouds as we head through the rest of tonight, so it will not be as chilly tomorrow morning as it was this morning. Quick chance of showers is going to skirt through the Bay Area tomorrow. Really the first half of the day. We should dry out during the afternoon. Another round of showers is going to head our way on Wednesday, and then a little longer stretch of dry weather settles in for Thursday and Friday. Let's get into some of the details. Here's a look at Futurecast, and it shows that rain starting to make its way into the North Bay as the sun is coming up on Tuesday. In any one particular spot, it's not going to last much more than about 20 or 30 minutes. So this is going to be kind of a low impact rain event overall, but the fact that it's moving through for at least the end of rush hour means the traffic might be a little bit of a mess tomorrow morning. But this is not going to be a heavy rainfall event at all. And the showers should be moving through and out of the Santa Clara Valley already as we head into early tomorrow afternoon. And then we wait for the next round of rain to head our way, which is going to be late tomorrow night into early Wednesday morning. Maybe some slightly heavier downpours accompanying this particular system, but neither of them has access to a whole lot of moisture. So add up the rain both days. We're talking about a few hundredths of an inch of rain to around a little over a tenth of an inch total. So this is not significant by January standards. On the high end of things, you might approach a quarter inch of rain. That's going to be up to the upper limit of what the system can produce in the Bay Area. But it is going to be a pretty efficient snowmaker in the Sierra. They are going to add up about 10 to 15 inches of snow. Good news for all the ski resorts up there. They want to add up as much of that as possible. There is a winter storm warning that's in effect for tomorrow night and Wednesday. Travel strongly discouraged on both the US 50 and on I-80. It is going to be sloppy up there, to say the least. The clouds overhead, not too thick just yet, just reflecting the last rays of sunlight from today into the low to mid 50s for temperatures right now. After we topped out close to 60 degrees, we were a degree or two above average, and we should be maybe a degree or two above average for highs again tomorrow, but generally pretty close to where we're supposed to be this time of year. Overnight low temperatures only dropping down to the 40s. So the 30s tomorrow morning are going to be pretty few and far between. They're not going to be dropping that far because our temperatures are going to be impacted by that cloud cover rolling in. And then we do manage to warm up despite the clouds, despite the showers, getting up to around 60 degrees in San Jose. That'll be one of the warm spots around the entire Bay Area. For most of us, we're talking about mid to upper 50s. Some of the coolest locations right along the coast into the mid 50s in Half Moon Bay. So only a 4-degree difference between the coolest spots in the map and the warmest locations. That's going to be the theme as we head through the rest of this week. Not much change to our day-to-day temperatures, even though we do have some day-by-day changes to our rain chances. Tomorrow and Wednesday unsettled, and then we dry things out for the end of the work week. Let's take a look at the 7-day forecast. And again, don't have to worry about which microclimates are showing up with different temperatures because everybody's going to be on an even playing field with our temperatures over the next several days. Once we get past our dry break Thursday and Friday, looks like a more substantial rainmaker is going to head our way on Saturday. Nothing to be concerned about, but if you're thinking ahead to the weekend, because it's never too early to do that, Saturday does look like it's going to be a bit unsettled. We'll kind of refine the arrival time of that next round of rainfall as we head through the rest of this week. Does look like we should dry it again as we head into the second half of the weekend and early next week.
All right, we'll appreciate that break when it comes. All right, Paul, thanks.